Welcome to the world of Colorbond steel roofing, where innovation meets durability. Discover why it's the preferred choice for homeowners and builders alike. Colorbond roofing is not just about aesthetics. It's engineered to withstand Australia's tough weather conditions, ensuring your home is protected all year round. Choose from a wide range of stylish colors that can complement any home design. Whether you prefer classic tones or modern shades, there's a Colorbond option for you. Installation is key, and our professional team at Pro Roofing Brisbane ensures a seamless process. Trust the experts to deliver quality workmanship with every project. Colorbond roofs are lightweight yet incredibly strong, making them easier to install while providing long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to rust and corrosion. Colorbond is treated with advanced technology to resist the elements, ensuring that your roof stays looking great for years. Maintenance is a breeze with Colorbond roofing. It requires minimal upkeep, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your home and less time worrying about repairs. Energy efficiency is paramount. Colorbond roofs reflect heat, helping to keep your home cooler in summer and reducing energy costs. Need peace of mind? Colorbond products come with a warranty, so you can feel secure in your investment for years to come. Join the many satisfied customers who have chosen Colorbond steel roofing for their homes and experience the difference in quality and performance. Get in touch with Pro Roofing Brisbane today to find out more about our Colorbond roofing services and how we can enhance your home. With Colorbond, you're not just investing in a roof, you're investing in lasting quality and style that your family can enjoy for generations. Discover the ultimate roofing solution with Colorbond steel roofing, where functionality meets beauty. Your dream home deserves a roof that stands the test of time. Let Pro Roofing Brisbane help you make it a reality with Colorbond roofing.